Hello, welcome back my dear students. Last time we studied about alkyl groups. So today we will talk about the naming of alkane, how can we give the name to alkanes family members and their IUPAC naming. Okay, IUPAC, you know that IUPAC nomenclatures. We call it IUPAC nomenclatures. IUPAC means International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. Okay, according to the rules, we will give the name to alkane family members. Okay, so here are some example. We will solve it number by numbers. The first example here is and according to your syllabus, nomenclature is in your syllabus. So the first example is 2-methyl propanes. Okay, so how we can give the name, how can we draw the formula for 2-methyl propanes? Okay, look at here. First of all, you know about propane, that how many carbons will be there. Okay, my dear students, how many carbon will be there in propanes? Okay, so think about it. Prop means 3 carbons. Okay, so first of all, you will draw 3 carbons here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 carbons here. Next one, you should think about it that this is A and E, so it means it is belong to alkane family. There is no double bond or triple bonds. Okay, so here is all of them, all carbon atoms, they are bonded together by a single covalent bonds or by a single bonds. Okay, so now here is 2 methyls. You already studied about alkyl group, that methyl, the formula of methyl is CH3. You know about it, that the formula of methyl will be CH3. Okay, so if the formula of methyl is CH3, but on 2 methyl means that this CH3 will be attached on the second carbon. Okay, so here count it from here, start here 1, 2, 3. You can also start it from this side. Don't worry about it. But here you can see that on the second carbon there is a methyl group. So you will attach here methyl group CH3. Same, and all the carbon atoms will be attached with the hydrogen atoms. So this will be their formula. This will be their structure formula. Okay. According to IUPAC system, their formula is like this. Look at here, 2 methyl propane. So on the second carbon, you can see methyl group CH3. Okay, and how many carbons here? 3 carbon here. So it is already propanes. Next one, if you think about it, this one, how you will draw the formula for this examples. Look at here, 3-methyl pentane. Okay, so first of all, you should draw 5 carbon here because it is pentane. So you will draw a 5 carbons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many carbons? 5 carbons here. Okay, so first of all, you will draw a 5 carbon long chains. Okay, next one is you can start at the counting here. You will start the counting here. Okay, look at here, this is the first carbons, this is the second carbon, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, 5 carbon is already done here. No, 3 methyls on the third carbons. In the third carbons, so this is third carbon. So on the third carbon, you have a methyl groups. And you know about the formula of methyl. You already studied about methyls, ethyl, propyls. Okay, so the formula of methyl is here CH3. So CH3 will be attached on the third carbons. Now fill all the carbons, attached all hydrogen atoms with each carbon atoms here. Okay, so this will be the formula of 3-methyls pentane. Okay, 3-methyls pentanes. Okay, 3-methyls pentane. Next one is here. This one is little bit complicated, but not that much. Look at here, 2,2-dimethyl butane. So first of all, you should think about it. Bute here. Bute. What does it mean by bute? Bute means 4 carbons. How many carbons? 4 carbons. Okay, so draw the 4 carbon chain here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbons are here? 4 carbon here. Okay, so here is 2 3 dimethyls. 2, 3, counted the number of carbon atom first, okay? This is, for example, 1 carbon, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4th, okay? So on 2 and 3rd, first 2, here on the second carbon you have a methyl group CH3, okay? As well as on the 3rd carbon you have also a methyl groups, okay? So that's why we call it dimethyls, okay? 2, 3 dimethyls, okay? Look at here, 2, 3. You have a 2 methyls here, so you will call it dimethyls, okay? And now fill all the carbons, attach all the carbon with hydrogen atoms. Very easy. Hopefully you can draw it very easily. Next one is, here is another example which we call it N-hexanes. What we call it? N-hexane. Simply, it is very simple example. N-hexane means that, for example, here you have 6 carbons. Hexane means 6 carbons, okay? A and E means a single bonds is there. Okay, so draw a 6 carbon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And attached all the carbon atoms with the hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this will become N-hexane. N-hexane. Come here to another example, 5th example, 3,3-dimethyl hexanes. 3,3-dimethyl hexanes, okay? So 3,3-dimethyl hexane, it is the same example here. Look at here, my dear students. First of all, you should think about it, this hexanes. Hexane, it means that A and E is at the last, so it means there will be only a single bonds between carbon-carbon atoms, okay? Between all the carbon-carbon atoms. So carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because hexane means 6 carbon, okay? And single bond and all of among them. Look at here, 3,3-dimethyls. So you can count it, you can start the counting the number of carbon atoms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many carbons here? 6 carbons. Okay. On the third carbons, you have a methyls, but on the same carbon you have another methyls group. So here this is the third carbons, and here you should attach 2 methyls, one on the upside and the other one is in the downsides. Okay. So right now you should attach hydrogens with all of them. Very easy. Next one is 6th example, 2-chloropentanes. 2-chloropentane, here is the words 2-chloro. It means on the second carbon you have a chlorines atoms, okay? So here you should write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many carbons here? 5 carbon, because it is pentane, okay? So on the second carbons, you can count it the number of carbons from this side or from this side, it is your wish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, okay? You can also start from this side, okay? Don't worry about it. 2-chloro. So on the second carbons, you have a chlorine atoms, 2-chloro. If you have a bromo, you will attach bromines. If you have a fluoro, you will attach fluorine. If you have another atoms, so you will attach that atom. And now you should attached with all carbons, hydrogen atoms, okay? So this will be 2-chloropentanes, because on the second carbon you can see it, chlorine atoms here. So hopefully you can be easily be able to solve all the examples. So inshallah, see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel for the coming videos, for more informative videos. See you inshallah. Bye bye.